Hi there, welcome back. Let's create a modern food poster in Canva, a designing platform where there will be some flat design elements and there will be a food with shadows casted by a background, and then there will be several elements that surrounds it. So create one. So let's say if you want to make a portrait kinda poster, and then afterwards you head over to elements and then select this circle, and then let's color it, let's say red, just like this, and then do some resizing by dragging the one of the corners just like this. And then let's say if we insert a burger, so in elements look for burger and then look for photos. See all. Some pictures are only available for Canva Pro users and some others are free to use, so up to you. Well, I will use this one, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now let's do some resizing. Let's say if you want to make copies of this, copy and paste this, Control C, Control V, resize it again, just like so. I think we're going to look for a much different burger, just like this, for example. And then we're going to, cast shadows. To do it, click on Edit, and then head over to Shadows, click on Backdrop Shadow. So it looks like this. Let's increase the blur amount and also the intensity, because the light shines on this part, so that means the shadow should lie behind this one in the direction that faces northeast, just like this. And for this as well, click on it, click on Edit, and then click on Shadows, select the backdrop shadow, just like this. Increase the blur amount again, and then decrease the intensity so that the shadow is not too visible, just like so. And then we're going to add some text elements by clicking on text. For example, you want to type like a click here, and then let's say if you want to type tasty burgers on the way, exclamation mark. And then you can change the font type, click here, and then let's say if you want to have a narrow typeface, just like this, and then you can change the color of the text by clicking on this one. Let's say if you want the color of the text to be yellow, then you can adjust the the line spacing as well, so that it looks stiff, and also the letter spacing. The more packed the spacing of the text is, the bolder the statement will be. And then you can, adjust the size just like this, for example. And then you can place it just like this so that it's centerized, just like so. You can even, add some outlines, by clicking on effects. Afterwards, you select shadows, for example, and then you can adjust the offset just like this, and then you can change the color of the shadow as well, so it looks like this pretty much. You can increase the transparency so that there's no transparent shadow. And then you can even add some images, such as a tomato. So go to elements and then search for tomato, for example, and then afterwards you select the sliced one. It's not, the background is not removed yet, so use the BG remover. It's only available for Canva Pro users, but for non-Canva Pro users, you can remove the background on any background remover website. And then you simply do some tweaks by resizing it just like this. And then you can even make it blurry so that there's this camera shot look where the aperture is used so that some parts of the image looks blurry. That's to say one object gets blurred and the other gets focused. Click on edit and then select blur. And then click on whole image and then increase the intensity to this and then close it. You're done. Let's add a whole tomato, for example, this. It's not a transparent PNG. Let's try this. Yeah, this is transparent, but looks old. Let's try this. Oh yeah, now that looks fancy. So we're going to place it somewhere here. Right click and then set the alignment to no. Set the position so that it lies to the front of the poster, just like this. And then you make it blurry again. Click on edit and then click on blur. And then change the intensity to this so that it's really blurry, just like so. Uh-oh. Close it. I'm so sorry for that. So when you're done, it will look like this. Ooh, fancy. Now you can add a random text or maybe phone icon so that you can create this context section, just like this. Phone icon, just like so. Then you can resize it just like this. And then you can simply add an email icon as well, just like this, for example. Resize it just like this. And then you can add random text. Hold on. You can add random text by clicking on text and then click here. And then you can type anything, for example, lorem ipsum dolor. As simple as that. You can resize this text by clicking on this one. This is just an example, actually. So let's say if you want to insert some description here, and you're done creating this modern food poster in Canva, a designing platform just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this will help you if you want to design a poster for your food products or for your food premises such as restaurants, eateries, and so on. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.